Hello guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw 3 different types of trees. So first start with putting a line where you want to locate the bottom of the tree. So I'm just putting 3 different lines. Okay, and now you can place where you want the top of the tree to be, and then you create a triangle connecting the line from the bottom to the point on the top. And then I'm gonna draw, I guess, a normal sized one, and then I'm gonna draw a fat short one, and then a skinny kind of tall tree. Now I'm gonna add different stuff to them, so you can put whatever you want on your on your tree, and you can swap each little design. Okay, now I'm gonna divide the short one into 2, and then the skinny one I'm gonna divide it into 4, and then the top one, the the bigger one will be just random. I'm gonna make little curves out, and it will be in total 5 little skirts. I don't know what they're called. Okay, and then what you would do to one side, you try to mirror it on the other side. Once you have that, you can add more detail. Okay, now we are going to go over with the marker and just add the lines. I'm not gonna go in the middle one. I'm not gonna go over all of the lines, kind of on the sides and a little bit on the middle. As you can see, I don't finish the whole line. Right, and then we do the little trunk on the bottom. Okay, now the shorter one, this one, it only has like little bubbles on the bottom, and we do the same thing on the bottom section, and then we add the little trunk. Okay, now for the skinny one, we just add triangles, and on the bottom I kind of curve it, it's not straight, and then add the little stem or trunk, I don't know what you call it. Alright, now we are going to add the toppers. The first one is going to be a star. The second one, we're going to do a star as well, but we're gonna put 4 points on this star. And then on the skinny one, we're gonna make a bow. So make a little circle and then add the loops. Now just go over with the marker. I kind of made the points of the star rounded on this one and added a little face. And then for the 4-point one, I just added a little cross in the middle, and I went over the bow for the bow. Alright, now I'm just going to add the ornaments and different designs you want to add. That's when you add them right now. And then I'm going to add kind of like ornaments just on one section for the little one. Or if you want, oh, and actually I'm putting the little lines of the tree. And then you can add your little face on the tall one. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Now, if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I also have social media that you can follow me on, so that would be great. Thank you.